Vessiness here. In a world where nothing is really certain, plans change, people change, and situations change. So, if that is true, why are you trying so hard to hold everything steady? Uncertainty is not the problem, it's the game. And here's the flip side, change is certain. So, instead of fearing it, why not enjoy it? Because change is where everything opens up. You can change so much in 6 months that it wipes out 5 years of fuck ups. Just a little bit of new habits, new thinking, and new action. That's all it takes. So you're not stuck, you're just repeating. The moment you stop repeating, everything starts to move.